Hi, so here I am on my allotment and I'm going to make a scarecrow. I'm going to start with this piece because this is kind of the really most important one, probably kind of tricky to find. It's not perfect Y shape, and what that will be is the rib cage, the abdomen, where I can attach the ribs, but the leg of the Y will get attached to another branch like that, so I can make him the right height but also give him a spine as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut up some bits of string. I'm going to attach this at several points just to make it really safe and secure. Okay, so let's get some string. Okay. So to make things easy, I'm going to put my scarecrow in an umbrella stand. I'm just going to stick that in there, just stop it sort of wobbling about while I'm trying to fix things. Let's just tighten that up a little bit. Like that. And if I tilt up, you'll see, there we go, there's his leg, and there is the Y-shaped piece, which will be his rib cage. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to attach the pieces that look like the ribs. There you go, smile for the camera. So that's it, nice and simple. One Y-shaped piece, then one long straight branch, which was about 2 meters long. Then smaller ones for his ribs, and then 2 more longish ones, probably a metre or so each, for his shoulders and arms. Hopefully some branches at the end to make them look like sort of scary claws. Now, the problem is he doesn't actually have a proper job until October, when he's supposed to look all scary and spooky on the site. So I thought what I might do is give him a little sort of sideline, another little extra job to do, and that will be during the summer. I will grow some sweet peas, and he will be the support for those, because they're climbers, and so he'll be great for them to climb through and to cling onto, and he should look great. And I may even leave the dead leaves on for Halloween. That might make him look even spookier. So there we go. So thanks for watching, and if you found that helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button.